Hello guys, and welcome back to another lesson on HTML and CSS. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how we're going to apply images, pictures to our web page. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use, just for understanding purposes, I'm going to use another web page that I'm going to create. To do that, you can just go here, just click this icon and just type in whatever you want your web page to call, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna call it dummy.html. Okay, there you go. Now I just created another page where I could just write HTML codes. So I'm just gonna type exclamatory and type in tab. So that way they just created a structure. Okay, so in the body we're going to create a heading. We're just going to give a heading whatever we wish, just heading 1, and just call it like, we're just going to call it a dummy page. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so we can see that the page is fully blank right now, and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get some pictures over here. Okay, just get some pictures over here. Okay, to do that we're gonna need some pictures, right? Let's download some pictures. Let's I'm just gonna download a picture of like a mountain. I could just take any one of these. I'll take this one. Save image as, let's say, let's give it mountain 1. Now we want this as a JPEG or JPG, an image type, okay, for it to work. So I'm just gonna save it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this, copy, and we're gonna paste this in our folder where we are like keeping our index and dummy, all our HTML files, the folder. We're just gonna paste it right here. Okay, now I've pasted it here, so this should appear here. See, it's appeared here. Okay, now we're gonna use this. Okay, for this we're going to type in image. Okay, we're just gonna type in an image. Okay, so the VS Code would do the rest. Okay, image source. All right, this is called a source, and in between we're going to paste, not paste, we're going to type in mountain mountain 1 dot, see, we've already got this one, the same one that here we got the recommendation, and done. Okay, now we're just gonna cut this. All right, close window, and we're just gonna run this. We can see that the image is here. Okay, now what we want to do here is, if we want to like change the size of the image, like it's already small, but what if I want to make it smaller, right? For that, we can like just go here, right right before the tag that is like closing the image tags. We're going to like type in width, okay, and in between we want to apply our desired width size. Like I'm gonna apply 100, okay. Mm, let's just cut this and run it again. You can see that the image is much smaller right now, okay. Now if we want to change the height of this image, we can just go on and just type here height, okay, and just apply like, let's give it 200, right? Close this window, run it again. Yeah, you can see that the height has changed drastically, okay. Now there are like people who like makes a folder, creates a folder, new folder, names it images, and you know they just like to store every images in the folder, okay. So we're gonna do the same here, okay. Let's go to the browser and just download an image. Like let's download, how about the desert, okay. There's a lot of pictures of the desert, so let's just select any one of these. Select these ones with the camels. So I'm gonna save this. Just name it camel, okay. Save. Now we're just gonna take this picture, copy it, and just paste it in our folder here that we created, the image folder, okay. There you go. So what happens now is, we gotta select this picture, okay. We want to select this picture, the camel picture, but there's a catch. You see, like the other ones here, the mountain, there's no picture here, okay. There's just only the folder that we created. So if we want an image, we want to just paste it here, okay, but we already pasted it in a folder here. So how are we gonna take that? What we can do here is like, first I need to create another image tag. All right, now here I'm gonna like, if I like type in what's the name of this picture, let's see, camel, eh? So if I type in camel dot j or whatever, okay, there is no suggestion here. I cannot get the images, all right. But so what I can do here is like write this, the name of the folder, images, okay. We're going to type in images, and we're going to give an oblique sign. Now you can immediately see that there is this camel.jpg tag. I'm going to select it. So this is the image that is inside this folder. So because I typed in images oblique, it showed the content of that folder. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to cut this, and let's run this in the live server, the website. Yeah, you can see like the images, the camel images are here. Now it's too big, right? It's really big. So I want to just change it. I want to just dial it down to like, I want to dial it down to like this level, okay? The mountains level. So let's do the same thing we did with the mountain picture, like width, applying 100, and the height applying like 200. All right, like I said, I want it to be in the same level. Okay, now let's cut this and run it. See, the image is like the same size as the mountain. Now if I want to like take this image downwards, like I don't want it side by side, I want it like uh, underneath each other. So what I can do here is, it's really simple. Just after this first image, I'm just gonna give a break tag, breaking the line, and which is pretty easy, see. And I'm gonna run it again. Okay, let's run this. Now you can see like the image is like not side by side anymore. So that's what you can do. Now what if you wanna like bring a image from another website, another uh, website that already is hosting an image, a picture, but you want that picture to show in your website? What you can do is like, firstly, you need the image. Okay, like I'm gonna go to Wikipedia. Yeah, Wikipedia is good enough. Okay, let's go to Wikipedia now. All right, let's select English now. Okay, I'd like to like take this picture here. Okay, so what I can do here is right click and copy image address here. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it, take it, and then I'll just create another image tag. Okay, and I'm gonna copy the image address. All right, the one we just copied right now. I'm just gonna paste it over here. Okay, so I've already pasted it. All right, now let's run this in our server. Yeah, you can see like the image is here. Okay, now what if I want to like put the image down, the camel image? Okay, simple. We're just gonna break the line in between. Okay, between the camel image and the one we just pasted from Wikipedia. All right, we're just gonna apply a break tag. All right, now we're gonna just cut this. Okay, now you can see like there's this, the image is like downwards. Now if we want to like just take it down to these two levels, just if we want to like make this size into these two images, what we can do here is like just the same stuff. Okay, we want to just click here in between the less than sign, and we're just gonna type in width and just apply the same size. Width size is like 100. All right, and then here we're gonna type in height. Okay, and at the height we're gonna like apply 200. Okay, now we're just gonna run it. I'm just gonna cut this and let's just run this in the browser. Now you can see the last image, it's the same size as this one. So I hope it's helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.